Welcome to our channel. Don't skip this one. Did you know there are certain things every woman longs to hear, yet most men rarely have the courage to say them? These aren't just sweet or flattering words. They hold the power to build deep emotional bonds and spark genuine attraction. In this video, I am going to share 7 powerful phrases that can completely transform the way you connect with women. These words evoke real emotion, and if you use them right, they can create a connection that goes far beyond physical appearance. Get ready, because what you're about to discover could change your love life forever. Before we begin, there's one crucial thing you must understand. Women are emotionally driven. They don't just listen to what you say, but also to why and how you say it. Women have an extraordinary ability to sense emotions and intentions that most men completely overlook. This emotional sensitivity makes certain words far more powerful. What I'm about to share with you goes deeper than generic compliments or overused phrases. Each sentence here has been carefully chosen to truly resonate, to touch her heart in a way most men never do. Because when spoken with authenticity, these words can create unforgettable moments and strengthen emotional bonds that last. So, let's not waste time. Here are the 7 phrases every woman secretly wants to hear, but few men ever say. Number 1. Your influence is remarkable. This phrase may sound simple, but it carries incredible depth. In a world where looks often overshadow inner qualities, recognizing a woman's positive influence means a lot. Many women go unnoticed for their kindness, empathy, and the way they uplift others. By saying, "Your influence is remarkable," you're showing her that you see beyond appearances. You're acknowledging her emotional depth, her ability to inspire, to bring positivity, and to make a difference in the lives of others. This level of recognition makes her feel genuinely seen and appreciated. It highlights her essence, her true self, and tells her that you notice the things most people miss. Number 2, I value your perspective and intelligence. When you tell a woman this, you're going beyond flattery. You're showing that you appreciate her mind, her ideas, and the way she interprets the world. This creates intellectual intimacy, a bond that's deeper than physical attraction. It shows that you're genuinely interested in her thoughts and how she sees life. In a world full of shallow compliments, valuing her intelligence instantly sets you apart. It communicates that you're drawn to her inner world, not just her appearance. This kind of admiration builds emotional trust, making her feel understood, respected, and genuinely cherished. Number 3. You inspire me. When you say this, you're not just complimenting her. You're revealing how she impacts your life. This phrase hits deep, especially when said in response to something meaningful she shared. Her dreams, her passions, her achievements. It tells her she's more than pleasant company. She's someone who motivates you to grow. It gives her a sense of purpose and fulfillment, showing her that she adds real value to your life. This kind of recognition makes her feel cherished, respected, and emotionally connected to you on a deeper level. Number 4. You have something special I can't explain. This one radiates mystery and intrigue. By saying that she has an undefinable quality, you create curiosity. I'll wonder what it is you see in her that others don't. Women love being seen as unique, as someone who stands out from the rest. This phrase sparks fascination and makes her feel truly one of a kind. It's powerful because it goes beyond the surface. It says, you feel something special about her that even words can't describe, and that's what makes her unforgettable. Number 5. Being with you makes my day better. A simple yet deeply heartfelt phrase. It shows that her presence genuinely brightens your life. Women love to know that their presence matters, that they bring happiness and calm into your world. When said sincerely, this isn't flattery, it's appreciation. It reassures her that her efforts and energy don't go unnoticed. It strengthens the emotional bond between you, creating a sense of belonging and mutual appreciation. Number 6. I've never met anyone like you. This phrase creates a sense of exclusivity. You're telling her she stands out in a world full of options. It reminds her that her individuality, her quirks, her personality, her spirit is unlike anyone else's. That acknowledgement is deeply empowering and magnetic. When she hears this, it boosts her confidence and reinforces that she's unique in your eyes. It's both flattering and meaningful, a simple sentence that makes her feel deeply special. Number 7. I see who you really are, and I admire every detail. This one goes beyond all surface compliments. It's about emotional visibility, showing her that you truly see her. Her quirks, her strengths, her vulnerabilities, everything that makes her her. Many people go through life feeling unseen or misunderstood, but when you say this, you give her something rare, the gift of being fully accepted. It makes her feel valued not just for her outer self, but for the genuine person beneath it all. This kind of connection builds trust, warmth, and emotional closeness that lasts. Now that you know these 7 powerful phrases, it's time to put them into practice. But remember, the magic lies in authenticity. These aren't just lines to memorize. They work only when spoken from a place of genuine emotion. Choose the right moments, say them sincerely, and watch how your words shift the energy of your interactions. When said with truth and timing, these phrases don't just create attraction. They plant seeds of respect, admiration, and desire that grow naturally over time. If you found value in this video, leave a like, share it with someone who might need it, and subscribe to ThoughtSphere for more insights on building deep, meaningful connections. Because remember, it's not just what you say that matters, but how you say it. Your tone, your gaze, your intention, all of it carries weight. These phrases can reignite passion, rebuild bonds, and even heal emotional distance when used sincerely. They're not just words, they're reflections of genuine care and emotional awareness. When you make someone feel truly special, something inside you transforms as well. Because in love, true success isn't about winning someone's heart, it's about earning it. That's what makes all the difference. Thanks for watching ThoughtSphere. If you enjoyed this, make sure to hit that like button, drop a comment with your thoughts, and subscribe for more videos on human connection, attraction, and emotional intelligence. Until next time, stay grounded, stay aware, and keep mastering the art of connection.